Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. This is my website Avilash under the Forex 101 section. So if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then we can see that 78% retail traders have taken short position and only 21% retail traders have taken long position. But as we all know, more than 90% retail traders lose money, isn't it? So let's find out what is the chart telling us right now. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see that market is trading comfortably above 1.3780 level. And if you have watched my other videos, previous videos, then you know the significance of the level very well, 1.3780, because I have been talking about this level for last couple of weeks. But before understanding or before digging deep into the chart of GBP USD, I would like to talk about DXY or US dollar first, because US dollar has a huge impact on Forex market and it has a correlation with GBP USD, because whenever dollar goes up we see GBP USD going down, and when we see DXY or US dollar going down we see GBP USD going up. So understanding or knowing about the US dollar is also very important if you trade on GBP USD. So if we just observe the chart of DXY or US dollar here, then we can see that overall the chart looks like that it's a choppy market or sideways market. But if we just observe this particular portion of the market here, then we can clearly see that right now market is trading in a downward channel here, or in simple words, whenever market is trying to go up, it is unable to cross the previous high. So it clearly signifies that slowly sellers are dominating the market right now, and as a result market is unable to cross the previous high. You can see that yesterday also market bounced from the support here, but still market failed to cross the previous high. Market made a lower high here, and right now you can see that market is standing at the support here. But in a market condition like this, generally we see that market usually breaks the support and goes down, because overall the chart of US dollar may look like a sideways market, but right now it is trading in a downward channel. So there is a good possibility of US dollar breaking the channel and going down, and in case it breaks the support, then you will see buying on GBP USD, or GBP USD will be going up. Clear? So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD right now in front of us. So you can see that GBP USD right now trading at 1.3816 level, and yesterday when market formed this pin bar, it was very much clear to us that yes, market is respecting the level of 1.3780. Try to understand the market psychology. The pin bar doesn't matter, okay? The pin bar in the 4 hours time frame doesn't matter. What matters is that the price got rejected from below. When sellers tried to push the price downside, buyers did not allow the price to go down, and the price rejection matters. See, we are seeing a pin bar here, but in all the time frame you will see the price rejection. The pin bar may not be present. What is present in all the time frame is the price rejection from below, and that is what matters to us. And the price rejection from below only clearly makes the picture very clear that yes, market is respecting the level of 1.3780, and it is acting as a support for the market. Clear? So right now you can see that we have one support here at 1.3780, and I have also drawn a trend line here, and I am not very much sure about the strength of the trend line, because you can see that this trend line is quite new here. So do not expect much from the trend line. But still, I think that, okay, still I think that if market comes down to this particular level here, where we have the weekly support here plus trend line, okay, we have a double support here. I think we have a double support here, and this place will be a good place to buy in case market comes down and takes support. Yes, if market takes support and bounces from this level, that can be a good place to buy, because we have a double support. That is our first trading opportunity. Okay, this is our first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity is, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. If DXY breaks the support and starts going down, then definitely you will see good buying on GBP USD. And if that happens, then definitely you can click on the buy button. Yes, so your second trading opportunity on the GBP USD chart is keeping your eyes on the DXY. So this is what I think that you should be following for GBP USD for today. See, this is my analysis. I can be wrong also. So therefore, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And if you think that I'm completely wrong, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, I have launched the Pro Trader program. You'll find the Pro Trader program on my website, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Okay, and if you want to know more about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information, and just click on the download sample here. You'll understand what kind of trades I share. So bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.